Today we're going to talk about the triangle inequality theorem. And that theorem states if A, B, and C are the side lengths of a triangle, then B and C, the sum of B and C, must be greater than A. So what that means is two of the sides of a triangle must add together and their sum must be greater than the third side. And it really doesn't matter which side, all sides have to apply to that rule. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So I color-coded this diagram for you. B and C together are longer than A. So side length A is 8 centimeters, and then B is 5, C is 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9, which is greater than 8. And that can work anyway. So 8 plus 5 is greater than 4, or 8 plus 4 is greater than 5. So that's why it forms a triangle. The opposite is when B and C are two sides are less than the third side. So say side A was 10 centimeters, side B was 4 centimeters, and side C was 2. 4 plus 2 is 6, which is less than 10, so that's why it doesn't form a triangle. Now I'm going to do a few examples to show you how to use this rule. The first example we're going to do is where I have the side lengths of 8, 4, and 6 centimeters. Now before we use our compass to draw or try to draw the triangle, we're going to apply the triangle inequality theorem. So say 8 centimeters is side A, 4 is B, 6 is C. 8 plus 4 is 12, which is greater than 6. 4 plus 6 is 10, which is greater than 8. And 8 plus 6 is 14, which is greater than 4. So we already know this will form a triangle, but we're going to use our compass to check and prove that. So I'm going to do side A, which is 8 centimeters. Then I'm going to set it at, come on compass, 4. You put it on the end, put your dot, and then you make your little arc. And then I'm going to set it at 6. Put the dot right there on the end of the line. Then I'm going to go down here, and where they cross, you put your dot and then you connect the dots. That's 4 centimeters. That's the 6 centimeter. So in fact does make a triangle. The next example I'm going to do is 7, 4, and 5. Well, let's check it with the theorem. 4 plus 7 is 11, so that's greater than 5. 4 plus 5 is 9, which is greater than 7. And 7 plus 5 is 12, which is greater than 4. We're going to prove it with the compass, even though we know it will make a triangle. We're going to check it. So I'm going to put the longest side on the bottom, which is 7. Then I'm going to do 4 centimeters. Put the dot, and then draw my arc. Then I'm going to do 5. My dot. Where they cross right there. Hang on. So you can see it better. Put the dot, connect 4 centimeters, then 5 centimeters. So it does make a triangle. And the third and final example we're going to do is with side lengths of 5, 2, and 1. But here's the problem. We're going to apply the theorem. 5 plus 2 is 8, greater than 1. But 2 plus 1 is 3, which isn't greater than 5. So this isn't going to make a triangle, but we're going to try it anyway with the compass. 5. Then we're going to set the compass to 2. Put our little dot. And then draw our arc. Then we're going to set it at 1. Put our dot on the end. And do our arc. And as you can see, they don't cross. So it's not going to form a triangle.